Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we are going to drive through on Ocean Boulevard in downtown Kingston. Now Ocean Boulevard overlooks, it's the road right beside the Kingston Harbor. There you can see the harbor on the right. And this is what you call prime real estate. Because this road, Ocean Boulevard, that's the Digicel head office on the left. Straight ahead is the office building, and that white hotel at the end, that white building is the ROK Hotel. Now this road has some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica, and this ocean front or ocean view makes this area very desirable. That's why you have some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica right here, because it overlooks the Kingston Harbor. So the office building which you just passed on the left, and then on the left here now is the Ocean Towers. It's a residential building, apartments. The office building is commercial, and then the ROK, it's a hotel. Used to be the Oceana Hotel, and then that building used to be the Ministry of Health building, and then ROK Hotel took it over. So I think this is going to be the only hotel of this size in downtown Kingston right now. But I'm sure more will come because this area is being renovated. The government is doing an excellent job in fixing up downtown Kingston, trying to renovate it. And beside the ROK Hotel now, on the left you have the Jamaica Conference Center. And this is the second largest conference center in Jamaica. Only the Montego Bay Convention Center is bigger. On the right, you have a very nice view of the harbor. Okay, straight ahead now, this is the Bank of Jamaica building. And that's the Central Bank for Jamaica. I think that building is amongst the top 10 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now on the right is the Scotia Center, and that's the second tallest building in Jamaica. Only the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston is taller. Now on the left is the entrance to the Jamaica Conference Center. And of course, I mean, these cars, and not only are they parked illegally, they're double parked. Unbelievable. Parked on the left, parked on the right. I don't know. There used to be a time where you had wreckers driving around, and if you park there, you get a ticket. I remember back in the day, if you stop like that on the yellow line, within minutes, a police car would drive up behind you and give you a ticket. Right here in downtown Kingston. But for some reason, they don't do that anymore. So the persons don't get tickets, so they just park anywhere. The last time I saw a wrecker driving around and towing people was at the airport. I have not seen that kind of thing since. Alright, so we're now going on to Duke Street. And Duke Street is famous because Garden House is on it, and that's where the Jamaica Parliament meets. But you have a lot of, this is the commercial part of downtown. You have a lot of offices. The Supreme Court of Jamaica is on King Street, so you have a lot of lawyer offices around this area. You have a lot of insurance companies. You have a lot of banks, basically business offices. You have another part of downtown now where it's just full of wholesale establishments. That's more like Princess Street. And then as you go down to like West Kingston now, you have a lot of residential areas, a lot of residential communities. That's like off Spanish Town Road. Now this is downtown Kingston, which is a part of the parish of Kingston. The parish of Kingston is the smallest parish in Jamaica, but it's different from the city of Kingston. So downtown Kingston is in the parish of Kingston, and Parish of Kingston also consists of Port Royal. So I'm not sure why there's so much garbage out there. It's very unusual. They usually clean it up very quickly. Okay, so a lot of persons mix up the city of Kingston, which includes parts of the parish of St. Andrew and the parts of Kingston, the parish of Kingston. So the parish of Kingston has 90,000 people, which is basically downtown. But the city of Kingston has almost 1 million people, because it includes Kingston and includes parts of St. Andrew. Okay, we're coming up. Did we pass? No, we didn't. Okay. Straight ahead on the left where you see that black banner, that's Garden House. Well, I guess something is happening there today because they've blocked off the road. So we're going to have to turn here. Something is, I don't know, oh, it could be construction work, I'm not sure. But they have plans to build a new Parliament building close to the National Hero Circle area. So I'm not sure how much longer the Parliament will meet at that facility. Now downtown is full of one-ways. So this looks like East Street. Yeah, it is East Street going down. So the next road will take us up. Let's just double check. This road will take us up. And downtown you have a lot of government buildings, like the central bank. You have Ministry of Foreign Affairs, National Land Agency. Though New Kingston is another business section in Jamaica, business district, but it's prime real estate up there. It's very expensive. The office buildings are very expensive to rent up there. But downtown Kingston now is it's not as expensive to rent space down here, and they have a lot more buildings down here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.